Hey guys, so today we're going to be
ratchet cooking.
So yeah, today we're going to be making some brownies. Betty Crocker.
Yeah.
So, if you want to stick around to see how we make it, just keep watching. Okay, so yeah.
You're supposed to eat this.
Stop! Eat an apple.
But it's nasty. So.
Eat an apple before you eat the brownies. Because then you'll
be full.
Well, then eat half of it now.
Okay. What if I don't want to eat empty?
Okay, so first thing you'll need is a bowl. So the turn off. Hold on, move. It's only 2.
3 eggs.
We only need. This is not 3. This is 2.
2 eggs. Canola.
You need any oil. It doesn't matter.
Canola oil.
Okay.
And some unwanted measuring things. Oh shoot!
You almost cracked the egg. Okay. So
and
first,
water, but
shut
you
up.
can't carry that much.
Okay. So.
Okay.
Come here. Come in by here.
Wait, we need a spoon.
Okay.
That's being a thing.
Okay, so we're gonna start off by opening. No. We're gonna start off by opening this, so I can't open it. So. Okay, so yes, we're gonna open this and put it inside the bowl.
Yeah.
So hold the bowl.
Or in our stomachs.
So you're just gonna put it in. Whoa. Stop laughing. Okay. Put it in the bowl.
Why so serious?
Okay.
And then you're gonna mix it till well combined.
What are you doing? Stop!
Mix it till well combined.
No, you're not.
Are the eggs
go
right
like
there?
this. Stop. Okay. So next thing we're gonna need is
3 eggs
I'm
and
putting half
3
a cup.
teaspoons of water.
Where's the half a cup of
Measuring. Okay, 3 teaspoons. Nope, that's 1 teaspoon.
1 cup?
Nope, that's not 3 teaspoons. Wait, how about we just get 1 teaspoon?
1/3 cup.
How about we just get 1 teaspoon?
Half a cup. This is half a cup.
Why don't we just get 1 teaspoon and then we can? How about we just get 1 teaspoon and do that 3
No,
times?
shut up. This is half a cup of vegetable oil. It says vegetable oil, but any oil will work, except for olive oil. Hold it, because I don't like olive oil, even though it's the same thing.
You're neglecting it.
So you're gonna pour it into your...
Oh my gosh, too much.
Smell! She spilled it.
Oh no! Oh no!
So, we're gonna...
The aftermath. Oopsies.
So you're gonna clean that up.
Okay.
Okay, so put that all in your stock. Okay, so now 2 eggs.
Goodbye. I see you later,
No,
camera.
you don't need a spoon.
Oopsie.
Use a whisk. Okay, so why did I shake it? Okay. Anyways, you're gonna crack the eggs into the bowl. So like this.
Can I crack an egg or no?
No. I don't care. Go ahead.
Remember, I actually dropped some eggs.
Okay, so there's 1 egg. Hurry up.
Wait, you can do it. I don't want to do it. Boy. I feel like I'm gonna crack the egg and like
Okay.
it's gonna fall.
The next egg, last and final egg,
Make sure there's no.
shells.
Yep.
Even though I trust myself.
And then we mix it like that, and boom.
No,
we
you
made
need water.
brownies. Oh shoot! Yeah. Ah! I stepped in the oil. I forgot about it.
You're dumb. Go wash your foot. Okay. Now we need 3 tablespoons of water.
Excuse me.
What's a tablespoon?
Just put 1 teaspoon. That scared me. I thought something.
1/4 cup.
I thought something was coming down here.
Oh,
but
shoot.
1 teaspoon. Just get 1 tablespoon and then 3.
Is this a tablespoon? That's a tablespoon, right?
1 tablespoon. I don't know.
1.
Let's just wing. Oh no! Let's don't wing it. Don't wing it. Don't wing it. We gotta make these perfect.
Yeah, it's a tablespoon. I'm positive. Okay, so
And then we'll make a part 2 when the brownies are ready.
Okay, so we're gonna just fill this up with
Wait,
water.
we need to preheat the oven. I forgot about that.
Oh yeah, do that.
Oh shoot! Wait, how do you preheat?
Okay, so always preheat your oven.
Bake. Oh, okay. Oh, so I was right.
Okay. So, oh shoot, did you clean it?
Yeah.
So you need 3 tablespoons of water.
It feels
So
it doesn't feel
1, 2, 3, and yeah. Now you're gonna take. You can have an electric mixer or
a regular whisk.
a whisk.
You can be lazy and use an electric mixer. Can I mix it?
Okay, so now you're gonna mix it.
Okay, fine. I'll clean.
Yeah, clean up the oil.
Yeah, 'cause
you're
it was
nasty.
weird. That wasn't my fault. You put too much.
Okay, so now you're just gonna mix. Should it look like this?
Like what? Yeah. It does. Well, no bird.
It doesn't look dark brown. Okay, this looks
My
good.
hands all greasy.
Whose fault is that?
Oh, I don't know.
It's
Maybe
yours.
It's the oil's fault, okay? If it wants to be sticky and greasy, it can be sticky and
Okay,
greasy.
so yeah.
But if it comes in my path, then I don't want to be sticky and greasy.
Ooh, this is looking hecka good.
Because it's brownie. It's going good.
Okay, so keep mixing and mix 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 and this looks so good.
Aren't you?
So good. Who's that?
That was me. I made it fly. That's how fast I am.
So yeah. Stop. So we're going to mix harder.
I thought you were doing something so it was like raining. I was raining, yeah.
I have to make sure it's all mixed.
I was raining. That's how good I am. That's why I get.
She didn't run, she rammed.
That's why I got 2 in my test this week. Boom, savage. But I see.
How does this look? How?
That looks fabulous. Let me see. Oh shoot, we didn't even freaking get the pan.
Move.
Should we make thin brownies or like thick brownies?
We should make. How long are we supposed to cook it for? See, this is all stuff you should know.
But we don't, so.
So just read it.
As you can see, we're 5 and 6, so
Okay.
I don't know where it says to cook.
We can make circle.
So if
brownies.
it's 13 by 9,
Want to make circle brownies?
no thank you. Cause like I would make a circle brownie,
You
but
want to make these size brownies?
no. Remember we made Nutella brownies out of that, and it was actually pretty good to me. To you, it wasn't.
It was nasty. Ow.
It wasn't sugary enough. What is that?
I'm taking out the stuff.
You guys need to see how good this looks.
There's this one. Can we use this one? No, because it's going to extend.
I'm sorry you can't eat this. I'm sorry. Maybe one day you can brag to me and say, oh, haha, you're not eating. That's how I feel about the other cooking channels.
Is this it?
They're just making brownies and stuff and I can't eat it. What?
Is this it?
That sounds good. I don't know.
Or the last and final. Oops. Or this one, I think.
That's literally like the same one right there.
No, it's not. Oh. I want to use this one.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay.
Just tell Uncle Golo and Molly we can buy them another brownie mix.
Oh no.
Now I get to brag, because all those other cooking channels, they get to brag about how they're making this stuff, and now we get to
Okay,
brag.
so while
So
you're
boom,
waiting,
cooking
shut up. Well, now scoot over. Now that you're whisking and stuff, if you have another person helping you, you can have them spray the pan.
This honestly smells good and looks good, so I'm happy.
Okay, so let's spray the pan.
I'm gonna pick it up and then spell my name. This is gonna take forever to upload, you know.
You're gonna delete parts out, right?
No,
What?
I can't. We have to automatically upload it,
Oh my god!
and then we're gonna make a part 2. this is the thing. I have to watch it and then I have to upload it. So.
It's already at 10 minutes.
So.
Okay, so while the oven is still preheating,
If you guys are still watching this, then say say
hashtag cake.
No, say hashtag 10 minutes and then I'll subscribe to you. And my sister will too. Just tell us your YouTube channel. Not me.
Okay, so if you're still watching this video, comment hashtag water. Yes. And we will subscribe to you. Both of us.
Yeah. Because we're
Actually,
we're cool YouTubers like that.
So yeah. The oven is currently at a couple seconds.
I want
so,
it to be a
so
gaming channel, not a cooking channel.
So yeah. Spray this with butter.
This smells so good. I'll be a comedy
Stop
cooking
it.
channel.
Now we're going to.
And look, do you see this? Pancakes.
Yeah, we totally made those.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so take out your whisk to hold this stuff. Okay. Oh no, my hand's oily.
Oh shoot, that scared me.
Okay. Move, Samantha. Okay.
I feel like I hear. Oh, it's gone.
Okay, so
I
take
seriously
out the
just
whisk.
touched oil. Am I kidding me? Wait, what do you need help with?
Hold the pan out so that they can see what.
Wait,
we're
I need to
doing.
like spread it around and stuff with like a napkin, like those cookers do. I'm gonna do that.
Okay, so hurry up.
So now we're going to put the oil everywhere.
Not too much. Okay, stop it. You're gonna
I feel
rub it
like-
all off.
I'm rubbing it all on. What do you mean?
Okay, stop. Hold the pan out so they can see what we're doing. Okay, so next thing you're gonna do is pour the pan. Oh God. You're gonna.
Oh, it's
pour-
air bubbles. Yeah, that's normal.
Pour it all into the pan. So just go back and forth. It doesn't matter right now
Almost
until.
poked me.
Sorry. It doesn't matter right now until you like.
Stop
just-
it, water.
Yeah, because you just have to spread it out evenly.
I spilled
So
orange
let's
juice
try and
on
get
me.
this all
My grandma
out.
makes a button. I accidentally spilled on me. I think. Yeah, it's right there. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
It's like. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm taking.
No, you're not. You're spilling it on me.
It's everywhere. Oh. Okay, so you want to take all this out? Take it all out. Hashtag save the chocolate. Oh. Okay.
I was about to put it on my knees and it almost fell.
Okay, I don't know how long we have to cook it.
Oh. I didn't read the instructions. I was like looking at it and I was just looking at the cakes.
The cakes. There's cakes on it. Stop, you nasty. Stop, you're gonna drop the glass thing.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yes,
just
you are,
awesome
'cause
like
you're
that.
weak. You're gonna jinx it, boy. Okay.
How can you jinx I'm awesome like that?
Oh, okay. So now spread it out evenly. So
It's like solid. Is that normal?
yeah, I don't think so.
Even me, Jenny, better. And then you're
It's
gonna
all
tap
air.
it lightly so you get rid of any air bubbles. Thanks, cooking channels. A lot of help.
Okay, so spread it out evenly.
A lot.
So
Just. Oh my gosh! Look at the rest in there. Look, see
I'm spreading it out.
evenly. We shouldn't have got that, cause then the brownies are gonna be hecka thin.
Who cares?
Like really thin. Like you can even see it in the camera.
I know. Like that's what I'm saying. It's uneven. We have to. Okay, so we'll see you back on part 2. We're gonna put this in the oven.